Here's my chicken burrito recipe to lose muscle and build fat. Let's go. Step 1, pet dog. Step 3, ride horse. Step 4, grab a plate with lots of microplastics. Grab 6 forks. It has to be exactly 6. Step 9, put them on the plate. Step 10, put them in the microwave for 14 minutes. Step 11, grab burrito, put it on your second plate, put it in the microwave, 75 seconds per side. Make sure you flip it. Last step, make sure it explodes and eat right away. That way you can burn your mouth.